The big vacuum bag got fuller and fuller and fuller. When Daddy and you go to school, that's what
You know, I didn't realize.
is that going to be fall festival?
It's October for fall festival. We are back at our favorite place, Costco. We're just getting some things that we ran out of, like dishwasher pods, batteries, some other random things. Whoa, they have Christmas stuff out already. They still have it? Nope. Really? They sold out?
I can hear my.
They're right here. Look at these Birkenstocks. Let's see if they have my size. Here it is. This is my size. I want it in this brown color. In the carpet. We need to get some dishwasher pod. Oh, this one, yeah, with the purple. Also getting Coke Zero because we're obsessed.
What is that?
These fake Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. This is new. Oh.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
So cute. I heard these are really good. Should I get one? It's $10. Look at these. They're so cute. I don't know what they are, but they're so freaking cute. Do I need any more? No. But I want them. These are cute too. I had to put my mic on because they're playing music in the store. And I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted for it. I think these were here last time. They're so freaking cute. I love them. I also really like these afternoon tea ones. I think they're so cute too. I don't know what they look like on the inside, but they're so cute. They also have a lot of Nomi. They have a lot of Nomi. I don't know who she is. Maybe I should Google it. I think she's the one where you can change her eyes. A lot of the stores in Shanghai Plaza, they don't open until like 10:30 or 11 or even noon. And we're like morning people, so like it's really, I would say late, but it's like later than normal for when we have our lunch. We're gonna go to barbecue chicken and eat some Korean fried chicken. It's our first time going here. There was another spot that we used to go to called Jongro Chicken, but their location, Spring Mountain, closed. They only have one location in Henderson, and we don't like really going to Henderson because it's so far away. So I'm gonna try a new place. Not bad, but I like the one from Jongro Chicken better. But it's still really good. It's really hot though. How's it? It's okay? I'm gonna try one of these Gaudi ones. Oh, they're like big. American size? This is why they gave us American taste. I think this would taste really good with rice. I want to try one of these chicken with the tteokbokki. Overall, I think this place is just okay. I like Jongro better. They have a lot of options for like sauces though. And the boneless chicken is like really big. They sell a lot of Pokemon here, a lot of figurines, a lot of like collectible stuff. The store that we were going to doesn't open until 12, so we were just browsing around a little bit.
And just has Pikachu.
We don't have those.
Because it looks so cool. And this one. I think I have this really.
This is a Osaka opening.
These are the ones that we saw at Miniso outside the box. They're so freaking cute. Mango custard bun. This is what James was looking for. He wants two. This one.
Were they
They're like, no, you can put it like on your phone or like, you know, in your car. Oh, it's kind of like that on the monitor. They're cute. I like this one the most. They're so cute. Oh, this is the one that I was looking at earlier.
It's huge.
But it's cute. It's not that big.
It's not like this big.
Okay, we're finally back home. We got some of these hippers. It's my first time getting any of these, so I'm excited. I don't care which one I get. I just think they're so cute. We got 3 because it's 1 per person per series. So since it was 3 of us, we got 3. Yeah, which one do you want?
Okay, where do I open? Yeah.
Squish it. Squish it.
Oh, squish it.
Which one?
Sharks.
The saw shark.
You want it?
It's cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
You got this cute little.
Now I do have one.
So cute. Okay.
Go buy your magic carpet.
Daddy, can you just go to Google? What just happened? I just got something.
It's so cute.
Oh, that's the secret.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, no.
Let me see if this
It's
is
not the
good.
secret. It's the
It's
flapjack.
The crab is the secret.
Yeah, the crab is a secret. This
Okay,
one
that
is
was the
a
crab.
flapjack octopus meow. This is cute though. You don't even need to put them on anything. They're just really cute like this. And last one. I hope we get the one that you like. I hope it's not a duplicate. What if?
Think so?
I don't know.
Is this secret? Oh, the crab.
Wait, we got the
We
secret.
got the secret! Oh my gosh! Wow!
The secret. We got the secret.
So cute! I actually really like the secret one too.
Lucky.
Okay, Okay, I'm gonna do a quick little what's in my bag before we go to the gym. This is the bag that I use. It's a tote bag. I have a little lovely glue on here. I have our gym bag, this little packet of deodorant and stuff. I have my gloves, a lip gloss, my headphones, and sometimes I bring my camera bag. I actually got this yesterday at Miniso. Just bring it sometimes because sometimes I feel like filming or we go somewhere after the gym. And then I also bring a water bottle. We got back from the gym. I already got ready for the day. We're not doing anything today. We're just staying at home. We have some chores to do, like laundry and stuff. We had a lot of leftovers from that Korean fried chicken place yesterday, and I was talking about how I really wanted to eat it with rice because I thought it would taste good. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. We have the galbi chicken, boneless chicken. I also have a side of rice with cabbage, and then I also have some cucumbers, leftover cucumbers from last week from when we had butter beef. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch.